Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by opening Settings on iPhone or System Settings on Mac and signing in with your Apple ID. You must be the family organizer. Set that role now. Enable family sharing and choose which features to share, purchases, iCloud Plus, location, and subscriptions. Once done, add family members by sending an invite via messages or entering their Apple ID. The invite must be accepted. This first step centralizes billing and device sharing, so everyone gains access immediately. Next, you configure what the family actually uses. Go to Family Sharing Settings and toggle iCloud Storage, Apple Music, and Shared Photos. Choose the iCloud plan to share because storage is allocated from the organizer's plan. Then set up Ask to Buy for children and adjust screen time limits. This preserves control and privacy. Once these are set, check each member's device to confirm sync. Make sure contacts, calendars, and shared photos appear. Otherwise, sign out and back in to force a refresh. To finish, review the family sharing summary and confirm purchases, subscriptions, and shared storage are visible on each device. If something is missing, have the member open their invite and accept again. For iCloud Plus storage, make sure devices are updated and show the shared plan. If sharing fails, check the Apple ID region, billing address, and the organizer's payment method. These must match. Also sign out of iCloud and sign back in on the affected device. That usually clears persistent sync problems.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.